Long line. Super long line. We're at Prado. Prado. Like 5 or something.
Already?
Or more. There's more, like 6. And in front of us there's like 1,000.
There you go.
So we're trying to get some big trout.
I'm gonna get the biggest trout for sure. It always happens.
But or I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but it says January 15, 2021, Prado will be stocked with 1,550 pounds. Damn!
1,000, huh?
1,550 pounds. So that's yesterday. We're gonna hit that up. We're gonna hit this place up a day after getting stocked. So
hopefully the bite is hot.
Wish us luck.
Wish me luck.
We'll see what time we get in there. It's 7:04. We'll probably be in there at 8:30.
They open at 7:30 though.
So stay tuned.
Stop.
All right, we're almost there. Almost in. Everybody knocked out. All right, we're at a spot and it's packed. It's gonna be a tough day. Shoulder to shoulder, it looks like. But I got green power bait on this one. My wife got a mice tail, huh? So let's see what's going on. Probably a baby one. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just scared he's gonna pop me out because of all this stuff. Hold on, babe. Here, hold on. Oh shit! Don't let him chill. Let him chill. Look at him. A little feisty one. Ready? Oh shit. Here, I got him. Okay, ready? Yo, what the fuck? That's cool, bro.
I've never seen one do that before.
Look a bass. I'm looking up the drag.
He's fat.
No, it's a trout, but
It's not a carp?
no, it's a trout. He just doesn't want to go in the net.
Oh, he's nice, baby.
All right, come on, baby.
Oh, he is nice. Look at that.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, God. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. Everywhere. Oh, you don't have your fucking stringers, huh?
I have my thing.
You have the big.
Under the my this one. Oh, he's bleeding. Upside down. Can we use these though?
I've told you that.
All right, we just got that one on green power bait. I'm gonna do it again. This time Steph's gonna bring it in. No. Grab it. Check. Wind it first.
Yeah,
All right, let me get the net. Watch out, mama. Come on, try to come over here to the wood
Mommy
spot.
and Daddy, you got a fish?
It's right here. What is it?
It's a little one. Wait.
There, like, it's right here, it's right here, it's right here.
Ay. Little one. Little tiny one. Hey. It's still number 2 though.
Do you want to take me a picture?
We killed him.
Very efficient.
Got the hook back, pink mice tail. It's on. Oh yeah, it's on. Oh shoot. Oh, mice tail. Pink. Yeah, it's going. Alright, ready? This is a nice one too. Alright, go. Sure that. Oh, shoot, falling in the mud. Alright, go. It's coming. Damn. I got 4? Thank you. All right. That fool hit hard, huh?
Another nice one, man. What the heck is super cool? Why not me? You know why?
Look at that. Pink,
I was gonna get the bigger one.
pink mice tail. Yeah. So I just get him out. 9-pounder. Woo! Solid catch, bro. Congrats, man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Alright, guys, check out this wind that just picked up. It sucks. Can't catch nothing. I mean, everything started flying away. A lot of people left. It sucks. I'm getting pissed off. She wants to go home already.
We had to take our tent down. Our poles are flying everywhere. Our poles.
I know our poles are flying too. I don't know. Yeah. Oh no, I came off. Unless it's swimming this way. Yeah. Come this way. I got it. Another little one. I got it. Little foot. I'll bring it up like this. Here, I'm gonna try to lift it up that way. Let's go that way. Ready? Hold on. That's the 5th one. On mice tails. On mice tail. Number 5. Oh! Yeah? Alright, check it out. We got this bang cross shad formula.
On accident.
I thought it was garlic. I just found out it's cross shad, but hey, it's working. Sprayed on the mice tail like that. I got 2 split shots because it's a little bit windy.
A little bit?
A little bit. And I'm gonna cast it as far as I can. We already caught two with this crazy wind. It feels kind of. Just do that. Nah, I can't feel it yet. Trying to go under. Right? Still can't see it. But it's tight, 2-pound test though. Ready? Dang, he barely got it in his mouth. Look. Alright, ready? Got it? Alright, ready? Go, go. Alright. Nice one again. On the pink mice tail. Yeah. Oh, I lost the tail. Fuck. Yeah. No, I seen it on his mouth. He probably fell off when he was shaking. Oh, there you go. There you go. Nice little rainbow.
Oh shoot, it is on.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh no.
Ah,
That's what it was. He probably took you to that and got off on that.
no way, man.
¿Ah?
Are you kidding me?
Pues no ves que ya no se estaba moviendo cuando lo agarré. Rosie.
Fuck, babe. That's the third time today.
I'm gonna throw you in the water for saying that.
That's a tree. This way. With the sun.
Okay,
Alright.
that's what we're going home with. He got the biggest trout today.
I got 5 total.
Yep, I got one.
But good day overall.
Very good day. Except for the wind. Wind was horrible.
Alright.
So keep that in mind if you guys want to come here. The wind gets really crazy.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share my videos. Until next Friday.